Hi everybody, welcome to Spanish 203. In this quick video I want to show you how to turn in your comprehension questions. Today is Tuesday, we just had our first class, and as you know, you need to turn in your comprehension questions for Tema 16 by this Thursday. So what you're going to do is go to the classroom blog in your browser and type HolaPSU.blogspot.com, and that will take you to the main page where all the posts will appear. So every week I will create a post for each of the chapters that we're going to be seeing. So this first chapter is Tema 16. So when you scroll down, after the reading, the weekly reading, you will also see a section called Las Preguntas de Comprensión. And in there, you have some instructions already in Spanish on how to do this, but I'm creating this video to make it a little easier. So you're going to open your folder, your class folder. In this case, if you're in the afternoon at 2 p.m., just click on this one, or if you're in the 6:40 p.m. class, you can click on this one. So when you click on the folder, it will open a new window in your browser, and you will see a bunch of folders. You can click this little icon here for Google to list all the chapters, then click on Open in Drive, and you will need to access the folder chapter for the week that you're working on. So in this case, if we are trying to submit the comprehension questions for Tema 16, I will add mine in here in Semana 1, Tema 16. So click on it and it will take you to that folder. And you should be able to see the content of this folder, and you may see other students reply, but let's create your own reply. So click on the new button right here, the red button, and then scroll down to Google Docs, and it will ask you if you want to share this document with me, and you're going to say yes. Okay. That will open a Google Doc in your browser, and you will type your comprehension questions there. Now, in the blog, I have added a little formatting in here to help you out. This is how I would like you to type your things. So copy this section, go to your Google Doc, the one you just created, and paste it over there. Let's see. Sorry, my computer, there you go. It's a little slow. So type your name in here. So in this case, I could say Juanita La Loca, whichever. And you could type the date in Spanish. So today is, you can see it here, 29 de marzo del 2016. Okay. And then since these are the comprehension questions for Tema 16, I will type this here. And then you can proceed to type them, okay? So you can arrange the document in any way you want. So pregunta primero, and then type in here. Los criollos eran blah, blah, blah. Now the other thing you may be wondering is, before we go into this, make sure that you put your name in here. Juanita Martínez, por ejemplo, preguntas de comprensión. So how do we add these accents? So as I showed you in class, you do need to go to add-ons in this document. When you click on Get Add-ons, this window will show, and you'll be able to click here on the search and type accents, and it will show you the two applications that will help you with that. So just get this one, Easy Accents, and get it for free. Once you have gotten that one, go here in add-ons and enable it. Start. You have to click on Start, and the extension will ask you the primary language. So go ahead and click Spanish. Oh, here we go. And it will open all the Spanish accents. So whenever you do need to enter these things, all you'll have to do is type the word blah blah blah. Let's say los españoles eran cantantes, whatever. Vamos a ver, eran blah blah blah. And you do need an accent that you can type it by, for instance, clicking on the vowel with the accent that you need, and it will appear in there. So it's very easy. Please watch this video a few times and try to get used to. There are other ways, so you don't have to use these add-on application, like changing your keyboard if you are in Mac. But I can always tell you how to do it. If you are in PC, it's a little bit more tricky. So hopefully with this extension here in Google Docs, you will have saved a little bit of time. The other thing that I do want you to do is to make sure that before you start typing, you change the language setting right here. Otherwise, it's going to be your default language, which is English, and that's not going to be very helpful. So choose Español, and it should tell you if there's something wrong if you have enabled that from the beginning. Okay, here, let's see. And sometimes if there's something wrong, then it will tell you to fix it, and it will give you another option. But in this case, because I didn't enable it from the beginning, it thinks that I made a mistake. So one thing to remember is we are using a computer, so computers do not know how to speak a language, because languages contain multiple rules. So it's getting better, but especially with subjunctive, most likely you will get red lines like espero que tengas un buen día. So most likely if you type this in your own browser, it will highlight it in red, and you will have to add it into your dictionary with right click, and the reason is because your machine has not learned yet that this is subjunctive. You will have to teach it. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions,